all those beautiful colors, huh? Let's give them a round of applause for those colors. Thank you so much to our guest of honor for shining the lights with us. A little bit about our 3 pillars. Innovation through collaboration would be the first. It is this spirit we would like to demonstrate through the delivery of the Rainbow Ribbon by setting up cross collaborations among our tradesmen, contractors, and suppliers. So this wouldn't have happened without them. Number 2 would be public art in the new normal, is what we would like to explore with a series of SOP.
Manifesting rainbow-colored dreams. Some of us higher up on rooftop in chains, many unseen in basements and drains.
Flash downwards first. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, flash and wave. Wave, everyone. Awesome, nice, very, very nice. Okay, thank you so much for joining us. So that's the end.